In this video, we're going to open a GTC limit order. If you look at the comments inside this file, you'll see that you can also open different order types like IOC, stop loss, take profit, GTC, and more. But for this video, we'll focus only on the GTC feature. First, go to the main function and comment out all the lines except the GTC limit order. Next, we go to the GTC function and set the values. For example, let's set a buy order for the OP token. If we also want to place a sell order, we can set the values in this part as well. That means this function can open a buy and a sell order together. Now save the file and run it with this command. And that's it! We've successfully opened the GTC limit order using the SDK.